Good afternoon, 8th class students. Today's new chapter is frequency distribution tables and graphs. Some introduction I given. You see the table. Jagadish is watching sports news. A visual appeared on the TV screen giving details of the medals won by different countries in Olympics 2012. Okay, you see the table and observe and listen to my words. Olympics 2012 medals tally. What was given? Rank, country, gold, silver, bronze, total. Okay. First rank, United States. You see number. Gold 46, silver 29, bronze medals 29, total 104. Okay, second rank is China. 38 gold, 27 silver, 23 bronze, total 88 medals. Third rank Great Britain. 29, 17, 19, 65. Fourth rank Russia. 24, 26, 32, total 82. Fifth rank Korea. Gold medals 13, silver medals 8, bronze medals 7, total 28 medals. You see the diagram. Gold, silver, bronze, okay, are medals. The above table provides data about the top 5 countries that got the highest number of medals in the Olympics 2012 as well as the number of medals they won. Information available in the numerical form or verbal form or graphical form that helps in taking decisions or drawing conclusions is called data. Once I will read definition of data. Information available in the numerical form or verbal form or graphical form that helps in taking decisions or drawing conclusions is called data. Okay, you see the table and observe very carefully. Some questions are given. Which country has got the highest number of medals? Highest number of medals. Answer is 104, that is United States. Next question. Which country has got the highest number of bronze medals? Bronze medals line, highest number is 32, that is Russia. Okay. Which country has got the highest number of bronze medals? Russia. Another question. Which country has got the highest number of silver medals? Okay, United States. Another question. Which country has got the highest number of gold medals? Answer is United States. Okay. Which country has got the lowest number of medals? Answer is Korea. Okay. You prepared some questions about this table.